Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I'm doing a quick video. Father's Day is right around the corner, and some of you guys are probably still trying to figure out the best gift to get for your dad. So I wanted to do a quick video and just go over 5 really great gift options for dad, and also a 6th option in case you don't like these. So let's jump right in. So the first one is going to be an Apple iPad. If you're trying to go big for dad and go all out, Amazon's got some great deals on the iPad that are a lot lower than what you would get in a retail store. So in fact, even the base model iPad that's normally $330 is going for $250 on Amazon. You order it through Prime, get it in 2 days. You can still get it in time for Father's Day, or plenty of time. They also have all the other models up here as well. So if you want to get him a better model, they have those as well. All right, number 2 is going to be get him a streaming device that will allow him to watch, a ton of, Amazon, Netflix, Hulu, all his favorite channels, maybe in a room that he doesn't have cable. So there's 2 here. You can either do the Amazon Fire Stick, which is on sale for $35, or you can do, get mixed up here, or you can do the Roku here. This one is actually a little bit cheaper. It's only $24.99, so even better price. They both work really well. You're just going to plug it into a TV via HDMI, and as long as they have Wi-Fi at home, they can easily access Netflix, Hulu, and all the other basically streaming apps that are available. So these are always great for those rooms that maybe you haven't paid for an extra cable box in, but they want to be able to watch TV, maybe like in a garage or like in the basement or just wherever that extra room is. So this is a really inexpensive option for dad if he has a room that has a TV that doesn't have cable hooked up to it. The third recommendation is going to be an Apple Watch. So Amazon's got some great deals on Apple Watches as well. Even the Apple Watch Series 3, it's normally around $300. You get it for $229, and this is the larger option here. So the smaller option is $199. So depending on how big your dad's wrist is, maybe they don't want the larger size, you can get away with getting them this one, and it's $199. So it's up to you, $30 price difference, but either way you're getting an Apple Watch for a really good deal. So that's going to be number 3. Gift option number 4 is going to be an Echo Dot. So the Echo Dot, I love these little things. I have like 3 of these in my house right now. This is a great way to just bring just music and some really good productivity to any room in the house. So for example, I have one in the kitchen, and so when I come to the kitchen in the morning, I'll say, hey, play this Pandora station, or play this song, and instantly you've got music in any part of the house that you normally wouldn't have it. You don't have to lug a speaker around. You just plug it in, just keep it there, and it's ready when you need it. And then it's cool to use for other things like, set a timer for 10 minutes if you're cooking and something takes some time. Instead of setting the timer on the stove, you could just say, hey Alexa, set a timer for this, and she'll set it. So it's got some really cool features like that. Again, very inexpensive price point at only $30. It's normally $50. I believe they have it on sale just for the Father's Day weekend. So act fast. And this is obviously a great thing, easy to set up, and it can do a lot. So that's going to be the number 4 option. The number 5 is going to be, hey, you know what? My parents don't, or my dad doesn't have Amazon Prime. I want to gift him, 3 months or a whole year of Amazon Prime so he can try it out for himself. So maybe if you didn't like any of those other gift options, maybe this is a great choice. It's just gifting them a couple of months of Amazon Prime for free so they can try it, see if they like it. And Amazon just has a cool option on the website where you can just gift a portion or a whole year. I will have links in the description of each one of these recommendations, as well as this last option, which is the Amazon Prime Father's Day gift shop. So basically, again, if you're you want to look more, Amazon's got all these different categories broken down of different things that your dad may like. So go through here. You know, if he's a manly man, you may want to go through the power tool section. If he's more of a techie, there's an electronics guide, gaming guide, some cool drones on there. If they're more into fashion, they've got the clothes, they've got the luggage, nice wallets and watches. So, you know, these are always great options because you can literally sit at home and just go through pages and pages of things, and it'll give you ideas. You might find the thing you want on here, or it may give you an idea of a store you want to go to pick it up. Either way, it's going to cut down on that time it's going to take you to, you know, figure out what you want to get for your dad. So I will have links in the description for all of these products, as well as all these different pages, so you guys can check it out. Hopefully I'll make your Father's Day shopping just a little bit easier. Hope you guys did find this video helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button. Also follow us on Instagram at H2 Tech Videos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. And we appreciate you guys again stopping in, and have a good one.